Hi guys, it's Tiffany and it's that time again. It is time for Empties. It is December 5th. I cannot believe it. Oh, there's a cute little fox in our backyard. He's probably going to try to get our chickens. I'm always looking out this window because that's where we have all the light that comes in. And hold on, actually, look at this. Let's see if you guys can see this. And the camera might be a little shaky, but see the little guy? He's so cute. Sorry, it's really shaky. Hold on. So that's what I was looking at. He kind of came out of the cornfield there. So yeah, he's like stalking something right now, but I don't know what it is. He's not moving. He's really watching something, so we'll leave him alone. Alright, so now that I got that out of my system, let's move on to the empties. So I'm going to start with beauty, bath stuff first, then we'll move on to randoms this time, and then we'll save the cleaning stuff for the end. So I'm doing it in order of the way that I like to watch these things. So let's just get into it. So, nope. See, I'm already getting distracted. So went through another one of the Whispers Premium Cotton Rounds from Costco. We go through those pretty quickly now these days because I've been trying to paint my nails a little bit more than what I was before, so have been using those up. Plus for skincare, a bottle of the Crest Pro Health alcohol-free mouthwash. Get those from BJ's. It's a really good deal. I don't know how to say this right. I think it's Ooey Dad, but I just tried out one of these little samples for Curl's Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel, all curl types. I don't know what I felt about this. I felt like there was a lot in this package. I probably used a lot more than what I probably should have because my hair felt really saturated in this stuff after I had put it in my hair. But I just wanted to use it up, so I don't know. I guess if my hair was still curly and I still had a lot of the perm left, which is pretty much all out now, then I might like it more. But because my hair is like back to being straight, a little bit of wave to it, I really didn't need it. So that's that. I used up a little sample of the Chloe perfume. I thought this was pretty, but it's not something that I would really wear on a regular basis. But it's nice to try. I'm so sad about this because it's not completely used up. This is more of like a declutter, but this is the Formula X from Sephora Top Coat, and it just got to the point where it's like, it's just done. It's like glue. But I did love this when I had it, and I'm sad that I can't have it anymore. So that's that. I used up another one of the pink sheet masks. This is the You're My Blueberry Jam, best kind of blues. I have to say, I thought I had 2 more left, but I had more than that, so I'm still trying to get through these. I picked these up when they had their like semi-annual sale. I don't like these. They don't really do anything for my skin. When I picked them up, I thought that the way that they were worded by like blueberry, then there was a papaya one, and then I think there's like another one that I have, but I figured it would be scented in that, and they're not, and there's really no scent to them at all. And they fit nicely on the skin, or on your face, but they're really, I don't notice any difference whatsoever. So I will definitely not repurchase those in the future. Went through an Aussie Total Miracle 7-in-1 shampoo. We have the conditioner still in the bathroom that we're trying to go through, and I'm the only one that uses it. It's supposed to do 7 things for your hair. It's okay. I like the smell of it, so, but I don't know. I got it when it was like really cheap and on sale. I had a coupon for it a long time ago, so just used it up. And then the last 2 things is makeup, actually. So I used up the L'Oreal Voluminous Full Definition. So this has been since discontinued. I did love this mascara. I had it in its package forever. It was in my stash. I finally got to it, but I wish that they still made this because I really did enjoy this mascara. I didn't notice any like flaking with it. Like this kind of little brush tip here had like a little bit of a curve to it, but I definitely liked how it made my lashes look fuller, full definition, and just, you know, it was really good until it dried out. So more of that. And last makeup product is the Essence Superfine Eyeliner Pen in Waterproof. So Kristen actually gave this to me to try out, and I liked it actually. At first I didn't, and then I enjoyed it, but then it just got to the point where it was somewhat dried out, and I had to really push to like get it to go on, and I don't like feeling like I'm digging something into my eye. So it was time for it to go. Would I repurchase it again? Probably, because it's cheap and it's inexpensive and it seemed to do its job, but I don't know. I still like my Tarte one better, so we'll see how that goes. But I would probably definitely repurchase that in the future. Moving on to random stuff. Let's do the candles. My dog's in here, so if you hear her feet are on the hardwood floor. So the first one is this Chesapeake Bay candle, Home Scents in Blueberry Pumpkin. It burned all the way down. It didn't have a very strong throw to it. When you smell it in the jar, it smells super strong, and it did have a very nice scent to it. But because of the fact that I'm starting to notice the stronger the candle is, the more of a throw it has, the more I enjoy it. So for that reason, I would not repurchase this one again. I think this came from Target. I don't remember. But yes, that is that one. Then I also had this Farmer's Market Fresh from the Farm Fragrances Apple Orchard Candle Hand Poured Soy Blend Wax. This candle I got, that burn, I got at Bon-Ton before they closed, and this candle is beautiful. It had this really cute, oh no, I lost it. It was like a little charm with an owl that was wrapped around the top here, just like very like rustic looking. I love the jar that it came in, the packaging. I tried to look them up, but I couldn't really find anything for them, and it doesn't really give you too much information on the back of or the bottom of it. But this was really nice. It has a really nice apple scent to it, like a fresh apple scent to it, and it did have a very nice throw to it. I would definitely get these again if I could find them, but I really did enjoy this candle, and that is what it looks like. It's just a really pretty packaging, really pretty jar, and like I said, it lasted quite a while, so I was pretty happy with that candle. Then my favorite one out of these three was this one. So this one is one that my mom actually purchased for me. She doesn't always pick the best candles, but this one, you did good, Mom. This is the Cozy Cabin Emerald Balsam Scented Candle, and I don't know where she got this from. Looks like this. I really like this. This smells just like a fresh Christmas tree, and it smelled delicious. It burned so nicely. It lasted us a while. She gave this to me last Thanksgiving for hosting Thanksgiving, my first Thanksgiving, and we really love this, and I'm sad that it didn't burn it sooner because I really love this candle. So Mom, if you tell me where you got this from, we can use some more. So just saying. Then a couple more things. I always share the coffee creamers because some reason people just like coffee creamers, but Frank went through a bottle of NyQuil. He uses this. I do not. This makes me so feeling like hungover in the morning, and there's been like sickness that's come through the house, so he used that up, and he will repurchase that, but I do not like it. These, oh my goodness, I looked for these. I can only find them on Amazon, I think they were. I'll try to link it if I can find it. They have different blends for these. This is the McCormick Good Morning Breakfast Seasoning and Apple Cinnamon. I found these in a clearance area in our grocery store in a Giant a while ago, and they had them on clearance for 74 cents a piece, and I guess they were just getting rid of them. But I love these. These are great. I've been putting them on in my oatmeal. It's kind of like the oatmeal seasoning packet stuff. Like if you get the pre-made oatmeal, it's the seasoning for it. They have like a strawberries and cream. They had a vanilla one, I think. I got the vanilla and the strawberries and cream. And it's pretty darn tasty. So 2 teaspoons is 30 calories. 5 grams of sugar, a little bit of carbs, but overall no sodium. They're really, really tasty, and if I found these in the supermarket again, I would definitely pick them up, but like I said, my grocery store was pulling them and I can only find them on Amazon. So if you see these and you like oatmeal and you like stuff like that, I was actually doing a plain Greek yogurt with this, a little bit of honey, and some granola. Oh my god, it was so good. If you find these, pick these up because they're really good. And then I have some coffee creamers, of course, because I'm a coffee creamer fanatic. I did the Maple Natural Bliss Almond Milk Creamer. This guy here, this is pretty tasty. I wish they made them in the big bottles because I would definitely get it in the big bottle, but this one I really liked and I would definitely get that again. Then we have, of course, the Frosted Sugar Cookie from the International Delight Coffee Creamer in the big guy. I love this coffee creamer. I just like the way it smells. I love the way it tastes. It smells and tastes just like a frosted sugar cookie. So that will definitely get picked up by the end of the holiday. Now, I don't like to say anything mean, but seriously, I've tried this one before in like the regular one from Whole Foods. This one I saw at Target is the pecan caramel almond milk creamer with coconut. I thought for sure, oh my god, I'm gonna love this. I will never buy that again. I didn't taste any pecan, any caramel, nothing. Maybe because I'm used to drinking the overly sweet ones, but for me, I just did not like that, and I definitely will not pick that up again. Although the regular one that I've gotten, like the vanilla one, I like that a lot. That one I do not like whatsoever. And then I have 2 cleaning products because I didn't do a ton of cleaning this month because I had my surgery, so look for that above. But I went through a Meyers Mrs Myers Clean Day hand soap in the pumpkin scent. So this was the last of the set of 3 that I had, and I used that up and I did love that. I would probably definitely get that again. And I tried this for the first time and I really, really like this actually. I might be picking this up more often than my beloved Gain. This I really enjoyed. I like it a lot. I think it works really well, and BJ's, that's where it's at. Coupon, good to go. That is it. I tried to run through this as quickly as I possibly could because I know they get so long, but I'm trying my very best. So if you like Empties, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in the next one. I already have my pile going, so it'll be a good one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.